Welcome to day 8 of Countdown to Christmas. My name is John of JWH Millinery and welcome back to my channel. So yes, day 8. We have a lot of supplies already and we have some more. So what is in here? We can only find out. So, oh, we're saving these as well. Floor. Ooh. Oh, we have a few things in here. So first of all, we have this cape line, which Grant obviously stole from my collection because I've had this for a while. I've been meaning to do something with it. We also have some, don't know if you can see that, some copper, I'd say orangey copper circular sequins, so that will be fun. And we also have, oh, hat elastics. So yeah, that's in a few different colours. Don't know if you can see them. Yep. Perfect. Oh, so today was a decent one. Like, we've been getting packets with just one things in, two things in, but this is the first one we've got 3 things in. And today's question of the day is, really, what's good on TV at the moment? Well, I don't really watch TV. I watch a fair bit of Netflix. Sabrina was very good. If anybody's seen the new Sabrina, that was a good series. I kind of binge watched that in an entire day. So if you haven't seen it, I would recommend that. It's the 8th today, so next week, Drag Race is on. I'm not sure where it's on, but Drag Race All Stars 4 is on. I'm a massive fan. If you don't really know much about Drag Race, I very much suggest you watch it. I also have a playlist of some hats I've made inspired by some of the drag queens, which I'm, hoping to go back and do some more next year. So I'll leave that linked here somewhere. So yeah, I don't really watch terrestrial TV. That's what I watch. So yeah, quick and easy video this week, today. So yeah, so thank you very much for joining me today. It's been a lot of fun. I've been very much enjoying this series so far. Let me know in the comments down below which was your favourite day so far. I'm uploading every day in December at 8 AM UK time, and make sure you follow me on all my social media. Make sure you also like, comment and subscribe to this video, and if you're already subscribed, make sure you hit the notification bell to be notified every day when we release videos. I look forward to seeing you tomorrow and wonder what's inside tomorrow's box. But until tomorrow, bye.